Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Stripe payouts and transaction data exports step by step clearly. Log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. Select the payouts section from the menu. Choose the specific payout you want to backup. Click on the payout to view its details. Select the option to download the payout report. Save the report in your desired file format. Now, go back to the dashboard. Select the Payments section. Click on Exports to access transaction data options. Choose the date range for the transaction data you wish to export. Select the format for the export, such as CSV or Excel. Click on the Export button to generate the report. Wait for the file to download to your device. Ensure that all data is properly saved and backed up. Repeat these steps regularly to maintain up-to-date records. Store your backup files in a secure location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.